Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'm going to talk about Boat Stone 1200 Bluetooth wireless speaker, which has amazing features like you can play this speaker up to 9 hours without RGB LED, and with RGB LED you can play up to 7 hours of music. And this Bluetooth speaker has different modes of connectivity, like you can connect this via Bluetooth with iOS and Android, and you can use auxiliary cable. USB cable is also there. Just in case you're thinking about the charging of this speaker, then it comes with Type-C charger, which helps in seamless charging. And there are many other features that we will talk about in this video, so let's get started. Let me just take you through the features that are mentioned on the box. So it has up to 9 hours of playback without RGB LED, and with RGB LED if you play this, then 7 hours playback time you get. It has TWS feature for double impact, ergonomic design, and phone battery notification is also there, which is so important, especially if you're playing this in a party. One press voice assistant is there, Type-C charger is there, enhanced portability with the strap, so you can carry this to your friend's house, to your workplace, or wherever you're going for hiking or something, you can take this along. Multiple modes are there. Bluetooth, as I told you, you can connect via Bluetooth with iOS or Android. There is auxiliary cable, USB, FM radio, all this you can switch through one button, that is the M button mentioned on the speaker, and again smooth controls with the mic. So these all features are mentioned on the speaker. So this Boat Stone 1200 is the perfect answer, is the perfect choice of wireless speaker if you plan to keep this indoors, or if you plan to take them out with you for hiking or for picnics, because it has amazing sound, 14-watt Boat signature sound, and I told you that you can connect this with auxiliary cable. And this is the flap. When I open the flap, these are the areas you can see where you can put the USB cable, auxiliary cable, the charging cable. The slots are seen here, and it's easily covered by this flap. You can see the RGB lights. You can play music up to 9 hours without RGB LED and up to 7 hours with RGB LED, and with this help of these lights you are able to know how much battery is in there. And the stand also, the base also has a rubberized grip, which gives you greater stability, so you don't have to worry about this falling off or something. And again, a second thing that you don't have to worry about this is that water getting splashed on it, because it is IPX7 water and splash resistant. Even if some water spills on it, even if it gets submerged in water, nothing will happen to your Boat Stone 1200. So that was it about this wireless Bluetooth speaker, which comes with great attachment. It comes with 1-year warranty card, and it also comes with a carry strap, so it's easily portable. You can take this around whenever you want to listen to good music. This was it in this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned in for more videos.